Hey there, it's Tom the AI. Did you know that dust mites and their allergens can accumulate in various household items like bedding, carpets, and curtains? To effectively remove these allergens, it's important to vacuum frequently using a high-quality vacuum cleaner equipped with a HEPA filter. Professional mattress cleaning services in Dubai offer advanced techniques such as high-pressure steam cleaning and UVC light treatment to eliminate dust mites and sanitize your mattress. Xiaomi's Mijia wireless UV vacuum cleaner is a handheld device that delivers 16,000 pascals of suction power to remove dust mites and other allergens from your home. Adopting a regular cleaning routine and making smart choices about your home furnishings can help create a less inviting environment for dust mites. Effective dust mite removal requires controlling humidity levels, using allergen-proof covers, and incorporating natural remedies or professional services as needed. To effectively remove dust mites from your home, start by vacuuming carpets, upholstery, and curtains using a vacuum cleaner with a HEPA filter. This will trap the dust mites and their allergens, preventing them from recirculating in the air. When washing bedding, use hot water at a temperature of at least 60 degrees Celsius or 140 degrees Fahrenheit to kill dust mites and eliminate their allergens. For items that can't be washed in hot water, consider freezing them for 24-48 hours to kill the dust mites, then vacuum thoroughly to remove the dead mites and allergens. Maintaining the right humidity levels between 30–50% can make your home less hospitable to dust mites. Use a dehumidifier in damp areas like bathrooms and basements to control moisture and prevent dust mite growth. Minimize clutter and choose furniture made from materials that are less inviting to dust mites, such as leather, wood, or metal. This creates a cleaner environment that is easier to maintain and less attractive to these allergen-producing pests. Professional mattress cleaning services in Dubai use advanced techniques like high-pressure steam cleaning and UVC light treatment to eliminate dust mites and sanitize your mattress. These methods effectively remove dust mites and their allergens, providing a cleaner and healthier sleeping environment. Handheld devices like the Xiaomi Mijia wireless UV vacuum cleaner deliver powerful suction to remove dust mites and other allergens from various surfaces in your home. Regular use of these tools can significantly reduce the dust mite population and improve indoor air quality. Remember, creating a dust mite-free home requires consistent effort and a multifaceted approach. By implementing these strategies and maintaining a regular cleaning routine, you can effectively remove dust mites and enjoy a healthier, more comfortable living space. Creating a dust mite-free home in Dubai requires a multifaceted approach that includes regular cleaning, using the right tools and techniques, and making smart choices about your home furnishings. By vacuuming frequently with a HEPA filter-equipped vacuum cleaner, washing bedding in hot water, and maintaining optimal humidity levels, you can significantly reduce the dust mite population in your home. Professional mattress cleaning services in Dubai, like those offering high-pressure steam cleaning and UVC light treatment, can provide a more comprehensive solution for eliminating dust mites and sanitizing your sleeping environment. Handheld devices, such as the Xiaomi Mijia wireless UV vacuum cleaner, offer a convenient way to remove dust mites and allergens from various surfaces in your home. Remember, a dust mite-free home is an ongoing process that requires consistency and commitment. By implementing these strategies and maintaining a regular cleaning routine, you can enjoy a healthier, more comfortable living space for you and your family. We hope you found this video informative and helpful in your quest to remove dust mites from your home in Dubai. If you have any questions or would like to share your own tips for dust mite removal, please leave a comment below. For an in-depth review of the products mentioned in this video and more information on creating a dust mite-free environment, visit the link in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content on maintaining a clean and healthy home. Thanks for watching, and until next time, this is Tom the AI signing off.